Kadlad Shiyaka Shadow. Yan ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Okay. So, si Kadlad Shadow, nabili natin siya for less than 2,000 pesos sa ating marketplace. And in terms of the presentation, napaka-simple, napaka-elegant, and napaka-classy ng kanyang box. So, ganyan talaga ang ating mga Middle Eastern perfumes. In terms of their presentation, napaka-elegant and hindi mo akalain na less than 2,000 pesos lang to. Okay? So, before we actually open the perfume and look at the bottle, let's go ahead and check on Fragrantica to check on the main accords and as well as the notes of this perfume. So, ang main accords niya is woody, musky, citrus, earthy, patchouli, lavender, mossy, amber, soft, spicy, and aromatic. And in terms of the notes naman, ang kanyang top notes ay grapefruit, pink pepper, lavender, middle notes of amber, cedarwood, cashmere wood, and base notes of patchouli, musk, and musk. And some of you might know that this is a dupe of Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy Cobalt. Okay. So, yun yung parang perfume na parang patanda ang kanyang design ng bottle. Okay. So, tignan natin si Shiyaka's Shadow, kung ano itsura niya. It's actually the same presentation as with the Shaka Kadlad Snow na nireview natin recently. And ang kanyang difference lang ay this time it's black. Okay, ang ganda pa rin of course ng kanyang design. For me, ang ganda, ang stylish ng kakaiba siya sa ibang mga perfume natin. Meron siya mga parang mga spikes all throughout the bottle itself. Okay, so yung cap niya medyo magaan pero it locks into place. Okay, mahigpit naman siya so far. So, ayan. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a couple of sprays on our wrist. Okay, tama lang yung buga ng atomizer. Alright. And, let's go ahead and do a few snips. Oh, grabe. Lavender, grapefruit. Ayun, yung opening niya. Lakas, grabe. Fresh na fresh, citrusy. And ang ganda ng combination talaga. As in, it's a modern take of the perfumes na gamit natin, and ang ganda ng kanyang combination talaga. As in, parang soapy vibes na parang kaka-shower mo lang, alam mo yun. Ang pogi ng dating. Grabe. It's very manly and yeah, labas na labas. Refreshing actually. Tapos after a few seconds, maamoy mo na yung kanyang pagka-musky. Very subtle lang yung pagka-musky niya. And I think ang naamoy ko dito is amber and yung cedarwood. Middle notes niya. Okay? So, ayan. I think overall, this perfume, you can use it anywhere or any type of occasion. Okay? Whether it be you're going to school, sa office, date night, sa dinner, sa mga errands mo, mag-grocery ka, you know, this is something that you can definitely use. And I think it's a very fresh take on the signature of Kadlad, alright? And, you know, very versatile. I think this kind of scent DNA is very safe for blind buys, especially kung mahilig kang yung fresh and citrusy na kind of scent. Okay? So, yan na muna ang ating preview for tonight's video. I will be testing this perfume in terms of the performance, longevity, projection, and as well as silage. Alright? So, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye!